Welcome back to the channel, and hope all of you are doing great today. And now on today's video, we are on I think day 4, and we are just going to discuss about the thing that on the React Native. So I'll do my best for you, so you can clearly understand about the thing what I am saying you about this. And hope if you have any confusion, then try to directly comment on the comment section, and I'll respond on that. And I think I can teach you about the React Native, so I'm making this video, and I have developed one application also, so I'll show you that application, and on another video we'll just learn about the React also. So please don't mind for the thing that I'm just doing a intro, so I'm just making a video so that you can also quite understand, but there may not be 100% you can understand, but please do your best, and I'll do my best for you. Okay, let's begin. From the standard React Native animated runs on the JavaScript thread means here animation we are just discussing about the uh, 60 fps native animation reanimated 3 and gesture handler means standard React Native animated runs on the JavaScript thread leading to the drop frame React Native reanimated 3 execute UI thread worklet also to fluid 60 by 120 fps animation also. So here you have to install the npx expo React Native reanimated native gesture handler means you have to install this thing. Means at first React Native means uh, then you have to install React Native. Then after this, React Native gesture handler means for the animation. So plugin also you can add the Babel plugin in babel.config.js means on your configuration file config.js you can add this. Then a core concept means use a shared value. Old animation instead driving the UI thread also means use animated style, create a dynamic style bound to the shared value also with spring with timing means physics based fluid transition function also. So gesture pan smooth touch tracking without the JS bridge over it also. So interactive pan and swipe card components with import React from React, import style sheet view text from React Native, import gesture detector, gesture handler root viewer from React Native gesture handler, import animated use shared value, use animated style with spring from React Native reanimated, and export default function drag all card const translate x use a shared value 0, const translate while use shared value 0, pan gesture handler const pan gesture pan on change event translate x value event dot change x also translate dot y value event dot change y on in spring back to the center on release translate.x with spring 0 translate.y value with spring 0 also. So animated style worklet means const animated style use animated style transfer translate x translate dot value translate y dot value also to return the gesture handler root view style sheet dot container gesture detector gesture pan gesture animated view style styles dot card animated style text style dot text drag me around text animated view gesture detector also. So here is CSS. Okay, so here you can see container justify content means our content will be on center, alignment will also be on center, card with 180 hide 180, background color means which background color I think this I'm not familiar with this also. Our border radius justify content again on center, so that's one of the thing you all have to understand. And then file based structure. Now when you try to develop the very large project, you have to very clearly understand about the file, because if you cannot clearly understand the file, then it is very hard to maintain the project properly also. So I'll try you to explain about this layout.tsx root stack theme provider tab also tab group Then layout.tsx bottom tab navigation, then index.tsx means home tab is screen also, then profile.tsx means profile tab is screen, then product id.tsx dynamic route also, then model.tsx means presentation model, then handling the dynamic route and deep link means we have to handle such kind of the very dynamic route with the very deep link also. So import use local source pattern link also. Then import view text from React Native, export default function, product detail cons ideal use local source parameter, return view text, viewpoint ID text, also link area model, open model link view. So offline database means we have to go with the offline database also, local relational storage with expo SQLite means we have to use SQLite, and I am not still on database, but I'll try to explain about this, and I think on next week I'll move on database. Then npx expo install expolite, then database initialization and async operator means database if you we have to store all the users data from users login, user book validation, form validation, all the things. So import SQLite, export SQLite, so open or create SQLite database. Once db equals to SQLite dot open database sync enterprise app dot db. Then export cons database service. Then initialize database db dot xsync. Create the table if not exist also. So ID integer, primary key, auto increment, name text not null, email text unique not null, also insert record, add username, name email, cons result, db dot wrong async, insert into name email value, name email return result, last insert row id, get user return db, get all sync, select from user order by id ticks also. So that is the thing. And the push notification means remote push notification, and background tags means here import use state use effect also from React, import as notification from export notification also, import as device from export device, import platform from React Native, then config notification display behavior, notification dot set notification handler, handle notification async, then should show alert, then should apply sound true, should set reads it true also. So export function use the push notification, const export push token also, set push token use state use effect, register for push notification async, then token also, if token expo set expo push token, then return expo push token also. So async function register push notification async device, and alert push notification require physical device, cons status existing status async notification, get permission async, let final status existing status also. So if existing status equals to granted, cons status await notification, reward permission also, final status success. And if status equals to granted, alert fail to obtain the push notification permission, and return null also. So cons token data await notification means for this notification get expo push token async, if the platform OS Android notification set notification channel async by default, name default, and important notification Android dot important dot max also, return token data also. Then new architecture JSI means new architecture, React Native return core eliminate the legacy asynchronous JSON bridge, replacing with the synchronous C++ direct call JSI interface layer, asynchronous JSON bridge with the slower serialization, JavaScript interface JSI, then the a direct C++ function, native module landed, the all module startup also. Then the turbo module lazy loaded native component on demand, UI render old native view hierarchy manager. Then the concurrent thread safe UI rendering engine also. So expo a new arc enable true also. So that's the thing. Then EAS building and submitting the OTA update means Expo application like EAS handle the cloud native completion iOS and Android binary and deliver the instant JS bundle. So EAS means build deployment cloud preview distribution internal preview distribution internal production then auto increment through. So key EAS variable EAS build platform all profile view build EAS submit platform iOS EAS update branch production also. So at last automated testing RNTL then test login from test.js import React from React import render fire event testing that library React native import login from component login form describe the login form if trigger const mock login form const also stimulate the user agent fire event change get placeholder email user enterprise fire event change dot text get placeholder text password stimulate the button press fire event press dot get press by text sign in also. So expect mock login to have been called with email user enterprise dot com passwords secret 123 then enterprise packet and cheat sheet also. So renamed three in npx we have to understand about this npx expo install react native reanimate means we have to UI thread 60 FPS animation then gestural handler means xpx npx expo install react native gesture handler touch gesture handling then expo router npx expo install expo router file based navigation also expo sqlite means npx expo install expo sqlite embedded the local sql storage also expo notification means npx expo install expo notification push and local notification delivery also expo update means npx expo install expo update over the power OTA host fix also EAX CLI means npx install GEAS CLI means cloud build and submission tool chain also. So RNTL testing means NPI the testing library React Native component integration testing also. So here we all have discussed about this. I think renamed animation also build dynamic multi-screen navigation config custom URL also. Then create the embedded related database on SQLite. Then update the device push notification also. Then embedded the new architecture. Then EAS.json publish the instant over. Then write component. Then config automated also. So hope all of you understand about this. And if you have any question, then try to comment on the comment section, and I'll again make this video so you can clearly understand. Okay.